I can proudly say I make 3% of my capital in just 5 days. I have 57% winning rate. I took 5 trade, I lose 2 and I won 3. The goal is not to blow account for the week and this is day 5 and I did not blow my account and I still have 3% profit. The first trade I took, everything changed in just a matter of a second. It remained only 1 second for me to win the trade and what in that 1 second the candlestick dropped. The second trade that went south is when I took the trade, I actually said the trade should go on uptrend. Then the market hit reversal. So you actually know what happened when the market wants to reverse. It just dropped. It was the first trade I took that surprised me the most because in just the matter of 1 second, the market dropped I think up to 7 pip down. To be honest, I am very shocked. Yesterday, I have 2% profit and I made 1% profit today. So it makes it 3% profit on my capital. I can't believe this is the day 5 of trading with $10 and I am able to make 3% as a beginner. The remaining 3 trade I took when I analyze the chart before I push the button to enter the trade, I make sure I understand what is going on the chart. I can explain what is going on the chart like 80%. I know over 80% of what is going on the chart at that time when I took my trade. Then I took the first trade, it was a success. I took the second one, it was a success. I took the third one, it was a success. But my first trade is that I won. The second one, market collect the money for me. Second trade, like the third trade, I won. The fourth trade, I won, and the fifth one, market collected the money for me. Since the goal of the week is not to blow the account, and I already made 1% of the account, and also I understand the power of compound interest. Also, this is a $10 account. $10 account, it must be treated with care. Also, my doji candle lesson continue. I continue where I stopped yesterday. Day by day, I am understanding doji candle more and more. And I bet before next week, I should fully understand how doji candle react on the pair. And by then, I'm going to be that is just for today. I don't really have much update for you guys. I just want to tell you I make 3% profit of my capital. If you are new on this channel, I'm going to advise you to watch this video from day one to understand more. And if you are a small trader trying to grow your $10 account, this is the best channel that is going to provide you with the best quality content and the real truth about how a beginner is going to grow their $10 account. Don't be fooled by those people that have spent over 7 years, let's say more than 4 years in the market, flipping $10 to 7K. Yes, they are real, it is possible, but you just started. You have not spent up to 1 year as a trader, then you want to be flipping $10 to 10K, 7K. You just want to blow your account. If you believe in compound interest, you want to learn more, you want to know the best psychology, the best strategy and how to go about it, don't forget to blow that subscribe button for more content.